Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming which I was continuously telling you. And one more important thing is that it made a low at a particular zone in December of 2022. This is the zone. Okay, and this zone has come as of now. You can see now in January, that means in just a 1 year we have seen so much of volatility for natural gas. Okay, and this particular point, a pattern is forming, and if you look at this particular pattern, this pattern is being repeated for around 7 times. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, made a high in the month of around July, August, and from there it is continuously downside. Okay, so it is in this particular zone as of now. So probabilities is very high that if this zone breaks downside, that is a low of around $3.490. So if it goes below this particular level, we can see it can move further low, because what we can see looking at this particular chart, that chances are very high, because this level we have not seen since June of 2021. Okay, so chances will be high that we can see it can fall further low if the price fall below a level of $3.460. Okay, but if it sustain and goes above a level of around $4.1, chances are high it can fill this particular gap and can touch a level of $4.4. And once it sustains $4.4, then we can see it can try to move upside and can go a little up towards a level of 4.9 after crossing a level of $4.5. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, look at this particular chart. Whenever it goes and cross this previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come, and this sharp fall is quite good. What we have seen, there is a continuous fall whenever it goes and cross a previous high. Okay, and this is being quite repeated for quite some time, and this was the 7th time we have seen a sharp fall has come, and this sharp fall is more than 30, 40, even sometimes 50 or 100% we have seen the fall has come. So what we can see looking at this chart for this particular 2 days, we can see it can go and sustain above a level of $3.9, and if that level move further high, we can see it can touch a level of 4.114. Suppose if the price move up that particular level, we can see a level of $4.4, and once it sustain 4.4, chances are high we can see it can go towards a level of 4.5, and then from there we can see it can go to 4.9, and once it sustain above a level of 4.5 to 4.9 and 4.9 is sustained, we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards $5.1 is there, because 4.9 is strong resistance as well as support. So once the price goes above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 5.3, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 5.731. Okay, and once it sustains that level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, overall trend is downside. It tries to move upside, but it didn't sustain that level, and it is continuously downside. So suppose if the price move below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.45. Okay, and once if it goes below this particular level, and this is the level which is already being a weak support, so chances are high we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $3.25. Okay, and if that level moves further low, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $2.8, and from there we can see a level of $2.75. After $2.85, we can see a level of 2.7. Okay, and once it moves below that particular level, we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of moving further low to a level of 2.1, which is again a weak support. So chances are high we can see a level of $2.072. Okay, and then it can move further low if the price move below that level. Okay, now understand something. Most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1,000 to 1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk is $500. So you can stop the trades for the day and then trade the next day. Okay, that means 100 per trade there, that should be your maximum risk. Okay, so now if you lose 500, it will not affect your psychology. Okay, but people do is they lose 5,000, 3,000, and then they try to recover it, and then they lose their full capital. This is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.